slow speed. Here with you again today. Now, I know you might be asking, what are you doing in the back of your car? Why are you sitting on the ground? And why are we watching you in the back of your car sitting on the ground? And why are your legs open so much? I don't know, man, I'm tall, so that's why my legs are like this. I don't know. I want you guys to hear a couple of things. Now, I have the stock exhaust on my car. Yes, I have the stock mufflers on my car. The only things we modified is the Catless downpipe and a tune, stage 2 tune. So I want you guys to hear the exhaust. I want you guys to hear the Burbles. The Burbles were a lot longer, but I turned them down because I don't know. I realized I'm not about that life. You know, it's nice to have long Burbles. You know, you get under a tunnel, you go pop, 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 pop. But you know, every time I'm driving, I'm pretty much driving sport mode. And sport mode is where the Burbles are activated, and it got a little too annoying. It just made me feel like I was a racer. I was going for more of that when you let off and you hear the pop, 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 or like a bang, bang, and then you go again, and it's perfectly fine. So that's what I did. We're gonna take a tour around the boot mode system to show you guys how to adjust the Burbles. So if you guys like those long Burbles, the 10 or freaking 20-minute long Burbles, you can have that. And if you guys like the the short, I guess you say M-car style or AMG style where it does a couple pops, it's more OEM, you can also have that also. So we're gonna take a little tour around, show you guys a bunch of different things that you can modify with the boot mode flash. It's kind of why I chose it. It is not a JB4, it's not like the JB4, it's not even close to a JB4. JB4 is a piggyback, and there's no knocks on piggyback. It's just that I feel like for the quality and the caliber, ECU flash is like night and day. You're paying about $529 for a JB4, whereas you're paying $595 for a boot mode flash, and you get a lot more parameters. You can change a lot of things. The JB4 was very popular before people were able to crack these DMEs on the fly or through the OBD port, but now we can do that. It's kind of little to no sense for a JB4. I've actually owned both. I've actually had the JB4 and the boot mode flash on the same vehicle, and I will tell you that the power isn't that different. The JB4 just comes on a little later, so you get the JB4 will pick up around 3,000 RPM, and you'll feel that crazy shove. It returns you back to the stock BMW where it has this full torque from like 1,000, 1,200, 1,500 RPM to 5,800 RPM, but it just elevates it, you know. So you do feel noticeable gain. Yeah. So we're gonna give you guys a couple exhaust clips, a couple Burble clips, show you guys what I'm working with now with this everything. One thing I will say is I haven't really experienced this until I went Catless, but it leaves a lot of black soot on the bumper. Now I don't know if that's Burble or because it's Catless, but I can definitely tell that something extra is leaving these tailpipes. I'm gonna let you guys hear the exhaust first. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up, put it in sport mode, show you guys a couple of revs. So what you guys think about that? That was revving it up in comfort mode, revving it up in sport mode. Then I did a little flyby. I did a flyby in comfort mode, and then I did a flyby in sport mode. Hopefully the flyby in comfort mode actually went through because it was acting up a little bit. But I mean, hey, listen, if you guys watching this video and you plan on modifying your car, hopefully you know what comfort mode sounds like. This is sport mode, full guns out. Yeah, I mean, yo, I don't know. I like the way this silver looks. Like it goes against the LEDs very, very nicely. Like, yo, I think I've made the right decision. This is a proper sports car. So enough of all that. I'm going to show you guys the ease of the boot mode flat.